What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek roller coaster construction update. Hopefully there's been a lot of progress. Let's go! Well, parking was a breeze. Ticket windows, not much of a line at all. And security also went right through. Up here at the main turnstiles, not much of a wait. We should be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. It is kind of warmer, blue skies though, and for me that is a very welcome sight to see, considering in the Netherlands it was cloudy and rainy a lot of the time, had some snow, but we're back. Florida, got palm trees, it's gorgeous. Penguin Trek over there, and we are going up here for the Sea Lion and Otter Theater. Some good views of the ride from over here. And over here we can see some nets going in for the turn to protect everybody just in case of loose articles came off. We can see fence line, brand new right there also. Oh yeah, it is time for a ride on the Sky Tower. Aerial views, gotta love them. And good news, it's in operation. Sad news to report, my fountain, not in operation. No!
Here, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need.
That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax in. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter.
And Aquatica.
Protect marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is...
Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there.
Yeah, let's hope that doesn't, yeah.
Stay here at SeaWorld.
And I texted it to him while I was there. This is so much bigger than what you
Well, those were some awesome views from Sky Tower of Penguin Trek, as we saw a lot of landscaping going in, and netting for most of the ride, I would say, is pretty much in. And yeah, we know that a pull-through test was going on. We saw some photos, so hopefully we're gonna have testing coming up very soon. Mako! Currently in operation, running with 2 trains right now actually, only showing a 5-minute wait, not bad. Infinity Falls doing its thing, getting people soaked. Currently has a 35-minute wait, not bad. Waterway Grill, and we're going in here for the Pass Member Lounge because we're redeeming our visits for a front-of-the-line access for Penguin Trek. Alright, so there we go. We got a Penguin Trek one-time quick queue after 3 visits. Nice. Coaster Coffee Express. We showed it in a recent update. It's open. And right across, we have construction walls for the Orca Stadium. One other thing to note, the Dockside Pizza Company over here that opened up a couple months ago, well, it's very busy. That's a good thing to see. Just off to the side of Dockside Pizza Co., we can see an opening over here with a fairly large crane and some new panels right along there for the stage area. Icebreaker. Currently showing a 25-minute wait. Not terrible.
That's how we find out. We come in the next day of our shift and we just find out that there's this meet and greet later in the day. If you guys can heard something you guys can do in the morning when you guys walk in. So to say that we finished our physicals before February, so that's for us. And then we will continue questions. Once again, my name is Val. I am one of the trainers here. Please feel free.
Kraken, it's in operation. It's only a 10-minute wait. Just off to the side of Kraken, we have one of the ponds with a hose in here, and it looks like they are in the process of draining it. We can see the water level is down a bit. Journey to Atlantis is currently in operation. And right now, it's got a 25-minute wait.
Another boat.
Over here where the entrance used to be for Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, we got rebar and more work right behind the construction walls. And this appears to be new, Expedition Pizza. construction walls over here with Penguin Trek right behind it. Big difference from the way this looked a couple months ago. Awesome seeing all the track in place now. Work walls and Penguin Trek right behind it. Remember, we had a hard hat tour recently, and you can check out a better view from inside the construction site there. This area is looking a lot better with all the landscaping going in up on the hillside, and I love that you're going to be able to walk right underneath the ride right here. Manta, currently showing a 15-minute wait. Not terrible. Time for my favorite part of the update. Pink chickens! It's good to see you guys. Fight! Fight! Ooh, that's a bad one. That's a real bad one. Dang. That was a bad fight. There's a coaster bunny in the enclosure with the pink chickens. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Track. Glad to see that landscaping is going in all over the place. They had done a pull-through test onto the brake run area. We also know some lighting tests have been going on. Lots of fence line is up all over the place, and we need that to be if we want to see test runs anytime soon. And hopefully that's going to happen within the next couple weeks. So if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we'll see you out on the Midway.